been a while. Moose Troop. Mac from Moose Troop. It's been, what? A couple months? A few months? Took a little break. And there wasn't much to play. But, finally, Far Cry 5 out now. Get it. Let's go. All the sins on his back. Gluten is the top one. Montana.
Big sky country.
Woo, so excited,
The
people.
treasure state. People got a lot
Look
of
how
names for it.
pretty it is.
I just call it home.
Lived here my whole life.
Oh, what's up, preacher man?
Amazed at how beautiful it is.
Maybe that's what blinded us to how ugly the people were getting.
What is happening? What is this? Hidden footage? Oh, I like this.
Understand, no one took these
Nice
groups
cell phone
seriously.
style footage there.
Religious. Militant. It was a goddamn cult.
Okay,
They
so...
started buying up every farm for miles. Then the radio station. Not long after that, they even had the fucking cops.
Their own sovereign religious state. Built right
Oh, this sounds very familiar.
Ain't no one coming to help us.
Have you ever heard of the
Government can't do shit. We're on our own.
story where a cult took over a town? I think that actually happened.
People don't want
Not like
to believe
military
groups like this
style
exist.
cult, I don't
People are
think.
scared, man.
I'm pretty sure it's something like this. Look it up.
Some will wish to destroy
Shh,
all
okay,
that we have
don't
built here
listen.
together. Some will betray us.
I like your gunners. Who's looking right at you? Oh,
We don't know
you
what
got...
he's capable of.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Who?
You
Their
gotta be
leader.
sneaky, man, when you're secretly recording.
Joseph Seed.
They call him the Father.
And those
Father.
in the outside world are blind.
Oh, no.
They do not believe. They have no faith.
Oh, no. Don't break his neck.
Away from the sea.
Don't. Oh! Poking out his eyes. Oh. Yeah. And you did it. Well, time to save Montana, I guess.
Wasting your time, there's no signal out here.
Okay, we got the marshal man
Crossing over the handbank
and the
now.
sheriff. Shut up!
Oh, fuck, there he is.
Out in the...
Crazy motherfucker. Jesus.
They damn built that real quick.
Peggy country? How much longer? Just long
Very
enough for
efficient
you to
builder,
change your
apparently.
mind.
Very
So we
quick.
can turn this bird around.
Oh, I thought his name was White House. That's a little on the head. White House coming to save the day, but his name is White Horse. And his mustache is just fantastic.
We've had run-ins with him before. They haven't always gone our way. Just sometimes. Sometimes it's best to leave well enough
Should I be
alone.
listening? Not talking?
Yeah, well,
There's not much
we have laws for a reason, Sheriff.
complicated
Joseph Seed's gonna
concepts to
run
get,
that.
right? They took over a town. Crazy religious people.
Pratt,
Crazy cult.
open a call with dispatch.
And now we are going to liberate the people.
White Horse to dispatch, over.
Hope County. So they took over a
Approaching the
county.
compound, Nancy. Over.
Roger, Sheriff. You still planning to go through?
Nancy, we're coming down.
We are, unfortunately, still trying to talk some sense.
That guy's got a cross on his neck. Is he one of them? You see that?
Lucky I'm not there.
U.S. Marshal.
Get into any trouble, you
Marshal.
know. Over.
10-4, over and out.
Maybe we should have brought Nancy along with us instead of the probie. These Peggies wouldn't fuck with her.
Pratt.
Yeah, Nancy, where are you?
Call them Peggies.
Why do you always send the B team in? Nancy's the A team.
Peggies is what the locals call them. You know, they started off harmless enough a few years back, but now
Oh.
they are armed to the teeth.
Oh, I'm not inverted.
For a fight.
God, come on, I need to change the settings.
Are you scared, Sheriff?
Anybody who plays default.
We're here. Compound's just below.
Invert. Oh.
Oh my Jesus.
Bad idea.
Last chance,
Why
Marshal.
why are we flying directly over the cult people?
We're going in.
Like, hey, we're right here. Why are we not touching down somewhere secret?
Pratt.
Why? I have questions. Why? Yeah, oh yeah, hey, we're here. Yep. Yep, don't mind us. Yeah, we're not being sneaky at all. We're just, hey, what's up? We want to be friends.
You still there?
Yes? Go ahead, Sheriff.
You don't hear from us in 15 minutes. Send in everyone. Call the goddamn National Guard if you have to. Over.
Yeah, Nancy, you are... Oh god.
Listen up. 3 rules. Stick close. Keep your guns in your holsters. And let me do the talking. Got it? Got it.
Why, are we seriously trying to talk to these people? That's not how cults work. You can't just talk to them.
Let's go.
Oh god, they're gonna start shooting. Oh, it's gonna happen. Oh god. Back in it.
Stick close.
Gotta get comfy.
These folks can spook easily.
Rook, on me. Stay loose, huh?
What are they doing here?
Oh, hi. Nice bat.
Stay calm, everyone.
Oh yeah.
Watch your business.
Did their bat just disappear? They got magic bats. Oh god.
Everything's fine.
There's bats inside of them.
Everything's just fine.
Jesus Christ.
They are
Wearing badges, aren't you?
titans of industry. They already got a logo and like team shirts and merchandise.
Not every problem
No
can be
wonder they are just so efficient. Business mind of these people. Of these cult leaders. Dogs. Oh, what's up, dogs? Yeah, it's a big dog. Hi. What's up? Oh god. Oh god. Great, a spooky church at night. Outlast vibes? Reminders?
Oh, Marshal. When we do this, we do it my way. Quietly. Calm.
So the sheriff is gonna probably
Fine.
die because he's the sheriff and he's helping the government, and the Hope County doesn't like the government because they want to be cult people, but the sheriff of Hope County
Just
is bringing in the U.S. Marshal, so he's gonna die, and then we're gonna die.
Relax, Sheriff. You're about to get your name in the paper.
Oh jeez. They're singing
You'll be fine.
cult songs.
Something is coming. You can feel it, can you?
Oh jeez. No one make any sudden moves. These are scary looking guys. They jump easy.
And there will be a reckoning.
Oh god. Why can't I look behind me? Someone's gonna sneak up behind me and bash me on the back of the head.
What happens next?
Do we though?
They will come. They will try to take from us. Take our guns. Take our freedom.
Yes, because taking your guns is taking your freedom. Oh god, they got their hands on their guns.
We will not let their greed, or their immorality, or their depravity hurt us anymore.
Sheriff.
There will be no more suffering.
Joseph C. I have a warrant issued for your arrest on the suspicion of kidnapping with the intent to harm. I
Oh,
want you to
Marshal.
step forward and keep
We
your
needed
hands where
a
I can see 'em.
precision scalpel type move, not a blunt hammer type move.
There they are.
And now we are
The
effed.
locusts in our garden. See, they've come for me. They've come to take me away from you. They've come
You
to
guys have got
destroy
great
all that we
beards.
built.
Oh, except for you, lady. I'm sorry.
Do not touch that service weapon. Hold on and don't stand down. Stand down. Everyone calm down.
This guy and his gunner. It's, you know what? His magic powers come from his gunner glasses.
We've prepared for it. Go.
Oh
Go.
boy. Oh boy.
God will not let them take me.
Well, oh hey, what's up, dog? Actual dog, not friend dog. Hey, dog. Hey, dog. You here to help me out with the spooky cult people? Oh, yep. See, that's how you know
Come and see.
suspicious behavior. Always looking up and saying stuff to the up. That's cultish behavior. Make eye contact, man. Hey, what's up? Me too. I'm here.
Hell followed with him.
Rookie, cuff this son of a bitch.
I don't want to touch
God will
him.
not let you take me.
Rook, put the cuffs on him.
Do I have to? Cause I'm gonna get shot. Something's gonna happen. Here it goes. Oh god! As soon as I touch.
Sometimes the best thing to
That's an a-hole clincher moment.
do is to walk away.
Oh, Ubisoft. Taking over the world. More specifically, Hope County in this case. Why? Why? Oh, God. Why is no one covering my back? Why is no one covering my back? Come on, people. Oh, move the microphone.
We gotta get the fuck out of here.
Marshal, take point. We're going right.
On it.
God. Hey, look, there's the gluttony cut marks. Gluttony, I know, but gluttony is more of the enemy these days. Gluten-free. Gluten is the devil. See, it's the highest cut on his back, so it's the #1 sin. Gluttony. Oh, God, why are you being so aggressive, Marshal? This is not the time or the place to be doing this. Someone take off his gun or glasses. It's where all of his powers are. They don't care about federales. Quit saying it. Oh, what? Okay, okay, okay. Oh, why? Why? Ubisoft Montreal and Toronto? Atta B. Team Canada. Oh, God. Oh, God. Why? 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 Oh, God. Marshall! Marshall! No! Drop him! Oh! 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 Hedge! Kick him off. Her? Equal opportunity here. Kick both the guys in the... Oh. Oh. Oh, that guy just jumped in the routers of the plane. Helicopter. Oh, yep. There it goes. Fudging great! Oh, intro title screen. I'm stressed already. Just to be clear, Mr. Father, that was not God, that was your crazy psychos. And he's... Oh, I thought those were floating magic headphones. But they're just hanging. I was like, it seems to be swinging weird. Oh, we're upside down, that's why. Okay, I gotcha. But... Oh, yeah. Oop. Oh, you psycho mother. Punch in the head. X, B, Y. Right trigger. RB. Quit singing to me and looking at me in the eyes. That is too intimate.
Are you there? Is somebody there? Please.
I told you that God wouldn't let you take me.
No. That's not how that works.
I need to know what's going on.
Nancy?
Dispatch.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Everything is just fine here. No need to call anyone.
Nancy?
Yes, Father. Praise be to you.
Nancy, you son of a... Nancy betrayed us.
No one is coming to save you.
I don't like how you whisper so close to me. Oh, God.
Everything is unfolding according
Nancy,
to God's plan.
we were so close. We were doing so well.
Still here with you.
First seal has been
Okay,
broken.
time to not...
Collapse has begun. And we will take what we need.
Okay, let's get out of here before they start cutting us up and eating our flesh. Okay, sounds like a good plan.
All those who stand in our way. And these, the harbingers of doom, will see the
God,
truth.
can we just... Rookie, this is not a theater. This isn't a... Oh, God. Yeah, see, this is what happens when you don't make moves. Oh, no. Yes! Except kinda not yes, because we're gonna... Okay, help me. Help me, sir. U.S. Marshal. Struggle! Get it off, man! Get it off! Pull it apart! Oh! Ow. Face. Okay, run. Run. Run to the woods. Run to... Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, 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 oh. Zig and zag. Serpentine. Serpentine. Oh, God. Should I be following the... Oh god, dogs. Oh god, dogs. Run. Run me. I don't think I'm running as fast as I could be. I don't know where I'm going. Are they still coming? Yep, they are. Yep. Yep. That's a yes. Oh. Oh! Wood! Oh, so I'm right in the thick of it. They have more than one camp. I gotcha. Okay, here we go. Assassin's Creed, here we go. I need a way through that vent. There's a mother effing scout right up there. We are in the spooky backwoods now, people. Cult in the Woods. Again. Outlast 2. Very similar. Please let me be able to get through this. Come on. Take. Shh, shh, shh. Quiet. Oh, there you go. Really lucky there wasn't. Shouldn't be taking the open area. Ooh, what's this? Yes, a branch. Stick. Please tell me I did not drop the sledgehammer. There's a guy up there. I don't know where I'm going. Is there a guy up there? Not seeing anybody. Could really use a sniper.
Anyone hearing me?
Yep.
Hello? It's Ferg. Hello? I think I lost him. I see, next to a long bridge. I'm gonna try and get inside. If anyone's still out there, listen. If anyone's
Sorry,
still
what?
alive.
Okay, can't. Don't see me, don't hear me. Taking the long way around. Stealthing through the woods, here we go. Meet the marshal at the trailer house. Wow, that marshal guy really just up and left me. Thanks, boss. Thanks for the assist, man, and then you call me for help. Thanks. Okay. Why smash? Marshal! Marshal!
Oh, Jesus Christ. Rook, I'm sorry. I
No.
thought they got you.
Yeah, because you
Come
just
on.
left.
Come on.
This isn't a very
Check your own rook.
conspicuous, Oh, nice. We're in one of their houses, of course. Because everybody is crazy here.
Oh, Jesus.
Look at the crazy cult cross
I had no
everywhere.
idea. Fuck.
What?
We're putting this whole family away. All of them.
Killing them or taking them in?
We're gonna get out of this, rookie. First things first.
You know, that's the one good thing about being in Montana, I guess. There's just an abundance of
All right.
assault rifles
Here's what we're
everywhere.
gonna do.
And
There's a
other
road out
weaponry.
there.
That's good?
We're gonna
Question
take
mark?
it.
It's
We're
good
gonna
in this
head
situation.
northeast. It's probably only a few hours back to Missoula. And then
A few hours
we're gonna
back to
come
Missoula.
here with a goddamn National Guard. And we're gonna take out the rest of these. Okay. Shh.
Oh, great. Fantastic. Fantastic. Here we go. Game on. Come on, cult guys. Where? Ooh, shoot. Oh, it's you shooting. Oh, I got you. Okay, okay. Go. Conserve the ammo. Just poke the head up a little bit. I haven't played a shooting game in a long time, as one can tell. Oh god, Marshall, what are you doing? Okay, yeah, there we go. Dead. I think I got you. They're gonna try and get you up. No. Okay, I should be following you. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm dead. Use a med kit. Oh, God, thank you. What? Oh. That was bad shots, but we're moving too quick.
Nice work back there. I'd be dead if it weren't.
Fucking disappeared.
We gotta get back. But we gotta
Get out of the way, deer. Don't hit the deer.
Fucking Nancy.
God damn, Nancy.
Oh no. They got the roads blocked.
Do they, though? Oh, yeah, they do. Okay, yeah, you're doing a lot more damage than I am. Come on, I'm the rookie. Oh, take out the driver, take out the driver. Take out the... driver! There we go. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, this is... They really got this place on lock. They really got this place on... Okay, 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 reload, reload. Driver! Taking the who and the dynamite. And kit. Here we go. It. There we. Oh God, I threw it in the car, didn't I? Dynamite. Got him. Got him. Huh? Oh, ow, ow. Thank God for unlimited med kits in this situation. Here's... Are you... Okay, this isn't a cult. This is a militia. A very well organized and heavily armed militia. Die! Wow, this gun is not good for... Okay, yeah. Oh, here it is. This is it. Okay, health. Oh, yeah. Oh! I got a quad, guys. Let's, come on. Keep it moving, Marshall. How much property do they have? Cows! They have a lot of territory. Why are we just now? Oh, 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 I don't know. They don't have tanks? Oh, why are they so well equipped? This is a militia, this is not a cult. Why did you let them get this good? Oh God. Okay. 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 Reload quicker, man. Okay. Oh, yep. There goes the bridge. Oh, in the water. God save the Marshal and me, the Rook. No, not the cult cross. Don't touch it. It's bad luck. Come. Oh, leave me again. Yeah, do it again. Thanks, asshole. Way to be a team player. Oh God. Swim to the light. Swim to the light. Swim to the light. Man, come on, Rook. I did it! In my passed out state. They can't see me? Oh. Marshall. That's karma for not help. Oh, hi, sir? That's a double-barrel shotgun right in my face. That's a lot bigger of an army than I think we anticipated.
Everything I told you has come true.
Has it though?
The authorities who tried to take me from you are now in the loving embrace of my family.
Alright, he's over the loudspeaker now. Basement, bunker, secret bunker. Yes! Secret bunker. Hello? Please don't wake up in front. Oh. Yep. Because that's what you do to a guy who you find beaten up on the side of a beach. Hello? Hey, smiley face.
You know what that shit means?
We're effed? Question mark?
It means the roads have all been closed.
Uh-huh.
It means the phone lines have been cut. It means there's no signals getting in and out of this valley.
Great. The
But
county
mostly it
is in a
means we're
valley.
all fucked.
Oh, I knew it. Called it. Thank you. Dutch. I like you, Dutch.
Goddamn collapse. They all think the world's coming to an end now. They've been waiting for it. For years. Waiting for somebody to come along and fulfill their prophecy. And kick off their goddamn holy war.
My bad. I mean, it was the marshal's bad.
Well, you sure as shit kicked.
Technically, it was the, marshal guy. Yes.
The smartest thing for me to do would just be to hand you over.
Yeah, you could, but... I am a U.S. Marshal rookie, and you have an American flag. We are partners. You don't have a cult flag here. You didn't buy the merch. Good.
Get out of that uniform. We need to burn it. There's some fresh clothes there.
Yes, sir.
When you get changed, you come and see me.
Yes, sir.
We'll see if we can unfuck this situation.
You know what? I think I can do it. I was a caveman in Far Cry Primal. And then 1, 2, 3, and 4, I got a lot of experience, so I'm well-versed. I know, not the same character in each game, but you know. Gardening gloves. Let's go with the gardening gloves. Let's do this. Alright. Secret basement bunker. Any, thing to pick up? I think I put the sensitivity too high. That's a little bit better. Still quick, but that's how we like it. Hello? Interact? Yeah, I'm here, Peggy. Oh, look at this. He's got a full med center. Are you sure that you are not a crazy end-of-the-world guy with all your preparations you did? I mean, I'm grateful for it. Don't get me wrong. What's, collectible stuff? I don't think we're going to be reading a lot of those. My God, he is just... Just a second, Dutch. I need to... Ooh, look at this. Hello?
Dutch, you there? This is Ray.
Ray.
What the hell is going on? We've heard massive gunshots and
tell you what's going on. It's a fucking crazy religious holy war. Handgun ammo. Yes. Okay, Dutch, we're coming. There's probably a lot more in here, but no time right now. I'm gonna try. Thanks for your concern, Ray.
Anyone hearing me? This is Dutch.
Yep, no, me, I'm here, Dutch.
Something that fits. I didn't properly introduce myself back there. Most folks call me Dutch.
No, really, your name tag gives it away, sir.
Trying to piece together what's happening up top. It ain't good. Little I can gather.
Really? It's not good. Could not agree more.
For now.
I like your tattoos, Dutch.
Seems they've been split up.
You seem like a real trustworthy guy with a big skull and can't really determine what exactly the rest. A snake, it looks like.
Nobody knows what's going on here, and they won't know until it's too late. There's gotta be people out there willing to fight back against
Well,
this
a
cult.
U.S. Marshal just went missing, so I assume and I hope protocol dictates that the government will come find us.
Get control of this island. Once we got some breathing room.
So okay, I gotcha. Take the island, take the county.
Safe over there. Take 'em. I'll give you a call on your radio once you get your bearings.
Alrighty, right. Yes. Yes.
Be careful out there.
How many guns can I have? Because I really hope... Oh my god. There we go. Okay. Now, where's the secrety lock room? Back here, right? No? No, I want to go into this locked room before I go outside and start getting eaten by cult people and animals. Yes, I know. Hello. I'm just... Oh, right in front of my face. Okay, here we go. Yes. Handgun ammo, yes. Piece of paper, sure. Toiletries, can I take a hammer? Can I take pliers? Why are you not giving me the most... Look at this weapon locker, but I can't... You know what, I take it back. You are not prepared enough for the end of the world. Okay, let's get a move on here. And see what... Oh, shovel. Yes. Hold LB to open your weapon wheel. Select item with the right stick. Melee throws. Throwables offer deeper. Blah, 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 blah. Thank you. Ooh, throwing knife. Yeah, we're gonna go... I picked up... Oh, I have 0 of them. That's why. I gotcha. Okay, well, we're gonna want to be quiet for the... Do I have a stick? Do I have my stick? Oh, no, I don't have my stick. God damn it. I had the stick and it was gonna be the ultimate weapon. So pretty, these cult places. They pick good locations. You gotta give it to them.
If you're gonna build a resistance, there's some things you need to know.
Don't die.
4 ways you can go about this. First, you can liberate any hostages the cult's taken.
Well, we're probably gonna have to do a lot of that.
Just fight alongside you if you help them.
Probably gonna have to do,
You can destroy Eden's Gate property that's all over the place now. Hell, they built 2 goddamn shrines on this island alone. Third, you can tackle resistance missions. There are a lot of folks out there waging their own war.
You have been planning this for a long time, my friend. Dutch. I'm gonna call you Duchess.
If you're really looking for a fight, you can take on the cult outposts that have popped up across the county. Liberating those places will give
Probably gonna do a combination of side missions and main missions, because I'm going to have to build up my shies before I do main missions. So let's
I've got cameras set up all
Duchess
over
Island.
this island. I'll keep an
I'm
eye
gonna
out
call
for
it.
anything
You are
suspect.
Duchess from now on,
For
Dutch.
head south and take out any cult shit you see.
Destroy the shrines to earn. Okay. Map. Cult shrine. Alrighty. We're gonna do a cult shrine mission. See how this goes. Bears are everywhere.
Shh.
Oh, shit!
He's over there.
Oh, really? Am I? Am I, though? Oh, Okay, that was so much for stealth. Can't see me! Can't see me! Sir, you can't take more than 2 bullets. Oh, okay, let's get out of... No, let's get out of this mode. Don't be throwing Molotovs. That's a dick move. I'm still in this mode. Get out of this mode. Get out of this mode! How do I get out of this mode? Oh, up on the D-pad. Huh. That was the most complicated... Okay. Okay. I accidentally marked you. And by the way, real gamers do not play with aim assist. I, in fact, turned it off. Hence the... My gun doesn't follow people when they just run across my reticle. Did I accidentally set this waypoint? So that was a very sloppy first fight. Can you tell I haven't played a shooter in a while? Mostly first-person shooter, I should specify. Okay, what do we got here? Handgun ammo. Let's take everything possible. What's it? Oh, yes! No, it's an unbreakable box. Okay, my bad. That was a grenade. That's RB. Heads up for everybody. What now? Do I just gotta shoot it? That's gonna be a big boom boom. It takes way too many shots to do that. Okay, I really should probably do stealth. You should really try as much stealth as possible when you're brand new to the world. I don't see any more, so I'm just exploring in hopes that I run into something? Question mark? There's a duck. Okay, so let's get a hold of this. Tell me that wasn't a grenade. That was a rock. Okay, let's to get their attention. Down on the D-pad. Throw a rock. Gotcha. Up on the D-pad. Playing on Xbox, I should say. Zoom, zoom, toggle. Priority target. Okay, there we go. Getting the hang. Running through spooky woods. What is that? That is a shimmer. Stash house. I'm not against stash, but a pipe burst and flooded everything. I have no idea which side will you need to run the pump to drain the water down the power switch. Isn't about how to put it. It's locked and you didn't need me to keys. Yeah. Okay, so let's track.
Kid, you hit pay dirt.
Did I?
That's the location of a prepper stash. If you can find your way inside, there's usually a bunch of useful shit that's been squirreled away.
Okay, so
We'll go take a look.
key in the pump house. This seems like an area that the cult crazies should have control of. Granted, I'm glad they don't. Door? There we go. And again, another game where you check every corner of every... Motherfucker, where's the key? Where did it say the key was? Search inside the search. No. Okay, you know... God damn it, where's the key? 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 I mean, do I really need the key, or can I, like, just take a little quick dip in the water there? I want that. I want that. Oh, arrows. Okay, okay. My guy can't hold his breath too long. Good to know. Good to know. The key, I assume, is in here somewhere. It's getting fuzzy. It's getting fuzzy. Key? No, no key. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Okay. Oh, I'm fine. You're fine. I'm a federal agent. I should be able to be a way better swimmer. Where'd you say the key was? But it's locked and you didn't leave me the key, so I'll leave that to you. Well, I might have to come back to this. This might be a good place to end the first video. Nice little intro. Getting the bearings on the shooting whole aspect of games again. And yeah, we're in it. Far Cry 5. Video 1. Moose Troop out. Bam.